Hi guys, in the video show how use the Keynology with CSV with Agno and pgvector. Okay, let's start. My today I will try better Vim editor. So, I that's fine. So here I need to get some packages and my CSV is that CSV file. I have a list of names from Portugal. Okay, from pathlib. Pathlib import path from Agno dot agent import agent from Agno dot technology dot csv import csv technology base from Agno dot models. In this example I will use the Gemini and pgvector. That Google import Gemini from Agno dot vector b vector import vector and sorry um you will need to use Ember for create Ember from Agno dot Ember dot model import I get Gemini. Okay, import class need use pgvector how use db where I get this my first let's create our Keynology base. Keynology base. This sets the Keynology and I use path use path model and date dash csvs Okay. And when you use Keynote, you need a vector DB. Vector dash DB. Vector DB use pgvector. Every vector you have table name, schema, the BUL, use table name. My table name is CSV document and DB. Right vector BUL. I have my ink and Amber you use the Gemini. Okay, create our Keynote. So you can use magic document. Let's use no documents 5. Okay. Now and we need to load our Keynote. So base dot load. When you load, you set create false, because when I run this code, my agents would create our Keynote database, but only one time. Okay. Now we need to create our agent. It's very simple. Agent people. Agent class. Agent class I use model Gemini and use the ID equal Gemini 1.5 flash. Okay, and use API key equal let's get getting my is Gemini API key. Okay, this is my model. I use Keynote equal Keynote variable. Use the search for use search Keynote need true. Keynote. And now, what is my answer? I have this. How many episodes anime Naruto Shippuden? Then these questions is get in my database. First, I need to run this. Okay, open new window. Okay. I need to use the pgvector, and I have it in Docker compose for this. Let's create this. That this is my Docker compose. Okay. I run Docker Composer for run my pgvector. Okay. And I need to run this. I don't install this package, Agno, pgvector, whatever. So I can see what's error. Then I using Python moment. Okay, you can path. Okay, right. This with error. This path. Okay, I'm using mistake here. Okay, let's run again. Okay, so I need to create my env. Enter this. Python. Need that py. Then I need to use install again. Okay, run again. I need to use Google AI. I don't remember. Alt, vai copy e last pgvector. I can't memorize this. I don't know. Okay. Like nature. What is this? Facial operator becomes a wiper variable. For the parts, could implementation no module receive. Okay, let's install the with documentation. I can provide some package. Please specs. Okay, here you go. Now it's work. I create my collection, load technology base, read my CSV. When you use a database .cv file folder, sorry, it's not gonna read every files in folder. So I have one file, but I I could use two for 10 files, and I'm gonna read every files in my folder. About this input this in my database. After this, I'm gonna run my question. Then after this, insert in my database 87 documents, add 87 documents in base. And how many tips are the new responding? Now responding pass 500 episodes. If I run again, then add 0 documents because I don't create my database. Okay, because I create is false. It is this video we create simple code using Gemini and the technology base. Thank you for watching. I see you next.